Hey guys, how's it going? This is Richard Beck with Beck Tools, and today we're going to drill a whole bunch of holes in aluminum. Now, I think I've used these feeds and speeds before, but if I haven't and I'm wrong and it crashes, hey, that's life. But here's the specs. These are going to be pre-drills for a quarter 20 hole. So I have a 5.1 millimeter carbide drill bit. Yes, I use metric drill bits and metric end mills because they're substantially cheaper. Because they make more of them, because the whole world uses them. So, pro tip, if you want to save money, use metric tooling. So anyways, sorry, rabbit trail. We're doing 8,000 RPMs, 40 inches a minute on the plunge, which is the max this machine can do, and we're just hammering through. I'm going to go 60 thou below to make sure the tip breaks through. And that's that, guys. Let's see if it works. Oh, I am recording. All right, let's go. Right off the bat, I'm barely hitting the edge there, so something's wrong with my... Did I load this part in there wrong? Because you can see that first hole almost missed. So I'm gonna have to get my hand on the stop button when we get to the other side, because I don't want to drill a hole into my vise. Look at this one. Ah! Oh, that's the butt clencher. Oh! Goodness. That hole is actually breaking out through the side of the part. That is terrible. That's a real fast way to break an end mill. So, if this end mill gets dull, it's gonna snap when it does one of those outside holes. All right. Oh, and it made it. Oh, and it made it. I like to keep it interesting, right? I did that on purpose, totally. But not really. After this gets done, I'm going to take it over, which will be a different video, and I'm going to tap all these holes with my Palmagran tapping arm. So far, I'm pretty happy. Hasn't loaded up the drill. Now I'm using flood coolant. All right, here it comes, guys. Ooh, man, that's... Oh. Hey, good news. It jumped all the way to that last set of holes, and I'm not hitting the vise. So, I don't know. I must have measured my stock wrong. Because, yeah, wow. I definitely measured my stock wrong. Well, what do you expect? I'm an engineer. We can't be expected to be perfect. Look at the Z-axis. It surges. I definitely have backlash in my Z-axis ball or lead screw nut. You can hear it, and you can see it. Right when it punches down through the material, the Z-axis drops. Now that's probably why I'm getting a lot of vibration when I cut steel parts. Look at that. Well, yeah, I think I need a new Z-axis lead screw, and man, that'll be a pain. That's like the worst to change. Oh my. Anyways, that's the video, guys. Actually, let me take it out. We'll look at the part. I'm not gonna make you wait that long, watch the whole entire thing, and then not look at the part. Man, that would have been a total douche move. Anybody that sticks around this long through the video, uncut, unedited video, deserves to see the part. Now, just be aware, the bottom is gonna have burrs. So we'll look at the impressive part first, the impressive side. Ooh, that is crazy. That was not planned. Like, you should never do that. That's a terrible idea. If it had been any closer to that side, it could have grabbed and just snapped it. So, yeah, I mean, what do you expect? But look, these just flake off for the most part. Hit that with a vibratory sander and it'll be fine. I mean, most of them will probably blow off. Yeah, so, I mean, most of those burrs. Anyways, oh, what's the total time? Total time is 3 minutes and 51 seconds. I didn't count the holes, but you guys can do that right now. I'll hold it here for a second, and then you'll know how many holes that is. Anyways, next video, I'm gonna be using the Palmgren automatic tapping arm to tap all of these, which is gonna be way faster than thread milling. So I'm pumped about that. See you guys next time.